we're eating lunch, and it's at the Heritage Hotel at the base of Mount
Hermitage.
Hermitage?
Yeah,
Heritage, Hermitage, all the same.
it's Hermitage.
It's Hermitage, sure. But it's at the base of Mount Cook, which is the tallest mountain in New Zealand. So we're getting a chance to have lunch here. The food portions here are huge. So I had some alpine nachos, which were fantastic. And Kim, what did you have?
Tuna, toasted tuna. They're called
Toasted
toasties.
tuna. Toasties. So she had a toasty tuna.
With seasoned wedges. Both just really super good.
So we're sitting out on the balcony now enjoying our lunch. And it's been a great time. We've spent about 4.5 hours. No, it's been about 5 hours since we left Queenstown. Made a couple stops, scenic stops along the way. So we left Queenstown this morning, and then we're headed. It's a tired day trip. It's 12 hours, and we'll end in Christchurch, which is our next city to stop in. So we'll get there sometime tonight. Looking forward to getting back to a hotel, getting set up for at least a day or two. We're only there for a couple days, but we're gonna enjoy ourselves while we're there. A couple sightseeing things while we're there. But this trip is a sightseeing tour from Queenstown to Christchurch.
If you turn the camera a little bit, you can see Mount Cook right behind me.
It's kind
Touch
of
the
right
screen,
there.
yeah.
Touch the screen right there.
There it is.
Boom, off in the distance. Now go back to Kim. There she is.
It's very beautiful.
I think she's prettier than the mountain. And I just heard brownie points. So we're gonna enjoy our Coke, which, by the way, I just tried some ginger beer, classic ginger beer. It tastes like soap. I'm not gonna be drinking that. Back to my Coke.
My Coke. He's stealing my Coke.
Back to my Coke. Alright, here we are. We're walking up the Glen Coe Trail. It's like not halfway up a mountain, it's kind of a third of the way up. We're gonna see what it's like. Just have a few minutes from our lunch break, so we're gonna take a nice little walk on up here.
But to give you perspective, basically you cannot see out of this valley. We're like nestled in all these mountains. Some are snow-capped, some have pine trees on them, some have just rock faces. They're just all different and beautiful. And then on top of that, the air is absolutely just incredible. It's perfect, it's crisp. Sorry, he's so much taller than me.
You're in the picture, out of the picture, in the picture, out of the picture.
We'll give you a panoramic view. Okay,
and she's down.
Here, we'll give you a view real quick of what we're seeing right here, and then we'll do it again from the very top.
And she needs to catch her breath. Make it? Yeah, I'm trying to. Pretty. I'll give it that. Well, we made it to the top. It only took us 15 minutes.
Yeah, but it's like straight up. I mean, it zigzags just enough for like 3 steps. So I mean, you're like going up steps like this high, and after the Ben Lomond hike, oh my gosh, I'm dying.
Really wasn't that bad.
It was.
Okay.
And I'm wearing flats, not wearing hiking shoes or anything like that, so I'm feeling every single rock. But the view really makes up for it. And the path itself is stunning. I mean, it was made out of roots pretty much and rocks, and it was just really beautiful. But anyways, this is our view, and it's gorgeous. So you can take
It
a
is
peek
beautiful.
for yourself.
Take a look. You can see them. It's right up there above our heads is the peak. So we'll show you a video of that.
Probably laughing.
Come on! Up this way!
Oh my